Hey everyone! If you love fun and easy DIY projects, you're in for a treat. Today we're making a machine applique sweatshirt with a super cute bow design. And guess what? No messy glues or sprays needed. We'll be using some amazing products, including Wonderfil's Instant Appliqué, Appliqué Transfer Sheet, Stretch Guard, and Polyfast thread to make this project easy and enjoyable. These products are a total game changer, and I can't wait to show you how they work. Let's dive right in. First up, we have the Appliqué Transfer Sheet. This sheet has a gridded surface that makes it perfect for precise design tracing, printing, and repositionable placement. Say goodbye to measuring errors. For this project, we printed our bow design directly onto the sheet. We will pair with the next product to work some magic. Next, we'll use Instant Appliqué. This light, double-sided adhesive is a total lifesaver. No heat or iron needed. Start by cutting a piece of Instant Appliqué. Next, apply the Appliqué Transfer Sheet to the sticky side. Cut out your design. Peel off the backing and stick it to the wrong side of your chosen fabric. Cut out your shape with ease, and voila! It's repositionable, so you can move the design around until it's perfect. Now, let's talk about Stretch Guard. To add a bit of structure to the fabric, we'll apply Stretch Guard. Turn your sweatshirt inside out. Cut the stretch guard to the size you need depending on the design and iron it in place. You can even layer it for more structure if your design is more intricate. This step ensures that your fabric stays soft but durable without compromising comfort. Now that the stretch guard is on our fabric, it's time to position our bow pattern onto the sweatshirt. Peel off the backing of the Appliqué Transfer Sheet and place the design where you want it. Press down lightly, and once you're happy with the placement, you're ready to go. Now for the fun part, stitching. We're using Polyfast thread, a gorgeous trilobal polyester thread that's strong, durable, and gives a beautiful shimmer. It's perfect for machine applique, embroidery, and decorative stitching. For this project, we used a zigzag stitch, set to 1/4 inch wide. To stitch the outside of our bow, we're using Polyfast color 6493. Look how smoothly the thread runs through the machine. It's vibrant, soft, and completely machine washable. Plus, with over 200 colors to choose from, you can match any design perfectly. And here it is, the finished sweatshirt. The bow applique is sharp and secure. The stitching pops beautifully, and thanks to Stretch Guard, the design stays pristine, even after multiple washes. This sweatshirt is officially next level cute, and I'm totally obsessed with how it turned out. So there you have it, an easy, no-mess way to create custom applique designs. Thanks to your Appliqué Transfer Sheet, Instant Appliqué, Stretch Guard, and Polyfast thread, your DIY game just leveled up. If you want to try these products yourself, check the links in the description below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great tips, tricks, and tutorials. You can also sign up for our weekly newsletter to get the first look at free projects, sewing tips, and inspiring tutorials delivered right to your inbox. Check out the description box below to sign up, as well as find a list of stores and retailers that you can purchase Wonderfil threads from in your country.